The street legal light bars are designed with commercial fleets in mind. Fleets could not install front-forwarding light bars because they are not SAE compliant. These light bars are not only SAE certified, and they have a super low profile, so they can be installed into any factory openings or built into bumpers and grille guards. There are 5 different sizes and options: 6-inch high beam driving, 6-inch fog, 10-inch driving and fog, and 20-inch combo of driving and fog. Amber strobe lights are built into fog lights, so they can be used also as emergency lights. These light bars feature patent pending optics that produce an amazingly controlled and high-intensity driving beam that greatly improve visibility and road safety. The built-in emergency strobe will also increase safety for your work trucks in inclement weather conditions. A smart wiring system allows you to turn on the driving, fog, or strobe lights separately or together. These new light bars will change the look of the commercial fleets. Drivers and fleet managers will be happy as they increase the safety and the visibility gains with the moderate investment on these innovative light bars.
Sie nahmen ihre Blumenkränze ab und warfen